Hello, in this video I will show you how to determine if we have conflict with our Hilti rebar tails. First, open all relevant documents. Open the Design Criteria worksheet. Select the Transmittal Number 1 tab at the bottom. You will be using the table titled Metal Deck Interference with Hilti Embed Rebar. You will also use the yellow highlighted cells that are labeled for internal use. Open the Structural Specification Review pages saved in the Specification Review folder, or you can open the structural drawings. You will use the deckage detail to determine if the metal deck occurs at the location of the rebar. In this example, the metal deck begins at a distance n from the edge of the deck. Review the plans to find the distance n. If this information is not found in the plans, communicate this to the PM. The PM will need to coordinate with the structural engineer and determine this distance throughout the building. The steel deck schedule provides specific deck edge information. This information can be inputted into transmittal number 1 to determine if we have interference. Here you can see there are 3 deck types, types A, B, and C. Deck type A consists of a 6 1/4 inch slab. You can see that the metal deck is 3 inches with 3 1/4 inches of concrete poured over it. You can enter these values into the table. You'll have 6 1/4 inches for the concrete deck height. The metal deck height is 3 inches. The anchor position will be based on your embed type. I will enter 2.75 inches for HAC 50 embeds. The anchor position is relative to the top of the slab. If there is metal deck interference with the Hilti rebar, the table will generate the amount of interference. For my deck type A, I have a 1/4 inch of interference with the metal decking. And I have a maximum metal deck flute height as 2.75 inches. There will be a note to coordinate flutes as required when an overlap occurs. You can input deck data for multiple deck types, and you can choose HAC 50, HAC 70, or both for each deck type. Thank you for watching, and please contact Jumpstart if you have any further questions.